In this video, we're going to talk about fractions. We're going to talk about what fractions are, what they look like, how we read them, how do we represent them, and finally, how do we add fractions. Let's get started. First, what do fractions look like? Here's two different ways to represent fractions. On the left, I have a number 3, a line or a bar, and a 5 underneath. I also have a 3 to the left, then a slash bar, and a 5 on the right. Both of these represent the same fraction in two different ways. How would I say this fraction? We would say 3 out of 5, or 3/5. And we'll talk about the different parts of a fraction in a minute, but we always read the top number first, or the left number first. Then we have words for the bar, such as out of, divided by, and the bottom number is last. So 3 out of 5, or 3/5. Now we're going to delve more into what the different parts of a fraction mean. So the top number in a fraction is called the numerator. The number on the bottom is the denominator. One way that people like to remember this is denominator starts with the letter D. That's the number on the bottom. So it's the number that's down further. Down, D, denominator, D. What the numerator or the top number represents is the number of shaded boxes in my example right here. So right now we have 1, 2, 3 yellow boxes. That's why my numerator is 3. The denominator, the 5, stands for the total number of boxes I have here. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 total boxes. Finally, you can think of 3 as the part, while 5 is the whole. So 3 is the shaded part. There are 3 boxes shaded out of the whole, the total of 5 boxes. Now let's talk about how do we add these fractions. So I'm going to show you adding 1/4 or 1/4 plus 2/4 or 2/4. We're going to do this by shading in our boxes just like we were before. So we know the bottom number, the denominator, or the whole, is the total number of boxes. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes. And that's the same as the denominator, so we're good to go. This number 1 on the top tells me the number of boxes that I want to shade in. So right now I'm only coloring in 1 box. And that's our first fraction right there. So we have 1 shaded box out of 4 boxes total. Let's do the same with our second fraction. Again, we have 4 as the denominator, so it's out of 4 boxes, which is perfect. We have that now. And I need to color in 2 more. There's 1 and 2. The way that we add these fractions is now I see how many are colored total. Doesn't matter on the colors now. We have our 1/4 and our 2/4. We have 1, 2, 3 shaded boxes now. So when we add the numerators, we get 3. And when you're adding fractions without drawing it, you just add the numbers. So you do 1 plus 2, you get your 3. The number on the bottom still represents the whole. So here we still have 4 boxes. The denominator, the bottom number, is going to stay 4. You have to be careful with that. A lot of people want to take and add 4 plus 4 and think this is 8. But no, remember that you keep the denominator the same. Only add the numerators. Let's try one more. So now we're doing 6. We have 3/6 and 2/6. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes. We're going to color 3 of them green for our 3/6 and 2 of them blue. Now how many do we have colored? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's our 5. And again, you could just add the numerators. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Denominators, we still have 6 boxes. So it stays 5/6. Perfect. I hope this helped you a little better in understanding what a fraction is and how to add them. Thank you.